I'll be talking on how to make use of your trading app. In this sense, I'll be making use of MetaTrader 5. So I've downloaded it already. Just go to Play Store. We have MetaTrader 5. You'll see it. So this is it, MetaTrader 5. You understand me? So now I'll be erasing some few things here so that you can see the way it's being run, so that you should know that there's nothing worth hiding there. Now once you enter, you'll be made to create an account, which is a demo account usually. Now in order to open an account, you understand me, you only come here. You can see account here. You see something like a door opening here, and you see this one. Then this last part, in which we have 3 dots at the up part, you click on it. It's for changing password or doing some few things, but most importantly, you can come here and click on manage account. Then you come on this. You saw what I clicked there. What I clicked there, you come there, then you write the name of the broker you want to make use of. Like I'll make use of Antec. That's, I love that broker. Okay, now for now they don't have a free demo, except you want to go to their website, Antec. You understand? Go to their what's wrong with it? Okay, you go there and go and get their login details. To trade and fake market. Let me check. Okay, now this one is Antec. This one is making us open a demo account. So you click on it, then you put in your name. You understand me? Like my own name is Steven Lawani. And then second name is Lawani. Then my digits is plus 234 8139614893. Then my mail is my mail. Then you can see here, if the mail is not verified yet, they will send me a confirmation code. Now look at something here that I want you to see. The server has been given the forex user and everything. Then here you see that we have leverage, we have account type, we have server account type, leverage, then we have deposits. Now where you have this leverage, you can make it 1 to 500. Where you have deposits, you see it's 10,000. So you click on accept, then you click. It's trying to open, but what will happen is most time they will ask me, they'll send me a confirmation code into my email. You understand me? So they'll send me a confirmation code, in which that confirmation code will give me access to open that practice account, or we call it demo account. You understand me? But I guess the network is a bit poor, but it doesn't still matter. To soon do now, so that you can see what I'm talking about. Now they've sent a message to my email, so they are only trying to be sure if I'm the owner of that email. Then what will I do? I'll simply come here. Where is this place? My email. So this the interface for my email. You can see they've sent me the message here in my email. Then the confirmation code 117288. That's my confirmation code. Then you now bring the 117288. So you now bring your confirmation code, which in my own is 11 what I remember many things in my mind. Sorry. 1172.88. 1172.88. 1172.88. So they are now giving me a practice account, which is a practice account of $10,000. You understand me? So it will soon come up. Just relax. Soon come up. They are allocating for me a practice account, otherwise called the demo account. I'll still explain what everything means, but for now, that's the way it is. They're trying to allocate for me a practice account in which I'll be in charge of it. From there, we can start placing trade. Now note, some brokers will not let you open a trade right from the MetaTrader platform straight. You have to go to their site. From their site, they will now give you the login details for their demo and their review. And there are some brokers they will not let you do more than 1 month. You understand me? But they are still good brokers. It's not that they are bad brokers. You understand me? So everybody's just trying to manage themselves. You understand me? You understand me? So that's just the issue. So you can see now that I've been given. Okay, still trying to do the network in this our country spiritual. I just let me see. Okay. Sorry. It was on do now. The network sometimes can be so crazy. Okay, now it's a network issue. Now I have a $10,000 practice account. You understand me? So now one thing I want you to know is this: the account is opened already. So in order to place a trade, now you can see at the first, you see 3 lines here near the trade. You see up and down button, up and down like icon. You can see an icon at the other extreme side upward here that I clicked on. So one major thing you must just notice is there's no big deal about this thing. To see currency pairs that you want to trade, you understand me, is here. These are not the only currency pairs we have. So to see more of them, you click on this cross at the upper part. Once you click on cross, you'll be seeing different pairs. You understand me? You see crude oil. Is there crypto with Antec? There should be crypto. You understand me? But for now, let's just leave it. Go to FX here. You'll be seeing AUD card. Those are the currency pairs you can pick up and trade. You understand me? So the way in which I'm touching it, that's the way. Just click on it, and if it brings anything out, then you click on that, and immediately you click on that thing, it moves to the point of quotes. I will explain what I mean by point of quotes. Now this FXT, these ones we hardly trade them. You understand me? Less people trade them, so that's why I did not really bother about it so much. So as you can see here, at this point of quotes, this place is called quotes, where all the currencies are. Immediately you come here and start clicking on them. Then you click on them, it will move to what? This outside this place where it's called the quote point. Sorry. Okay, you understand me? So that's just the whole issue. Now we have currency pairs before us. Now any currency pair you want to do, you can go to charts again. It will open a chart for you, which is euro, like here. Now to know the currency pair you're trading, just come to what? Up here. I brought a line out, but don't bother about that line for now. Up here you see what they write EUR USD. M30 euro versus US dollar. That is the currency pair we are in now. We've opened the chart. So to come back, EUR USD, that's Euro US dollars. AUD USD, that's Australian dollar versus United States dollar. EUR is euro. GBP is British pounds, Great British pounds. Great British pounds USD is being traded together for the other one. Then we have NZD USD. We have USD. Anywhere you see USD, it means United States dollar. So what we have, CAD is Canadian dollar, USD is United States dollar, CHF, I'm going downward. CHF is what? Swiss franc. JPY, these are just things you just know naturally, just give yourself to it. JPY is what? Japanese yen. XAU USD is what? XAU means gold. Gold is being traded against dollar. So these are some things you just have to sit down and get books and read, because I cannot say everything here now. So now, one major thing then, how do we go about this thing? How do we trade them? Now, before we go further, this is where the list of the trade you've taken will be listed on. You understand me? This is where they'll be listed. Then this is where the trade will be listed before it being when it been executed, and once it's stopped, it comes here and it stays as your trade history. You understand me? So that's just the way it is. There's no big deal there. What's happening? Oh, sorry. The lot is too much. Let's see. Let's reduce it.
Thank you, bro.
Okay. Sorry. You understand me? Now, one thing I want you to look here is this. All these pairs, they have their own way of rolling. Now, but I will just place any random trade for you to see how trades have been placed on. I'm taking too much time. On MetaTrader 5. To place a trade, you come up at this icon in which I'm touching here. Then it brings out. Now, one thing you must look at this. To open a trade, if your if the lot size you're using is too big, it will not open. You understand me? So, but if it's a normal lot size, you see that this place is on. If I use a 0 or 100, you see that it's off. But if I move back to 1, it means the lot size is within reasonable sense. You understand me? So that's just it. So for this one now, we have 0.01, which is a lot size. This is the highest though. This is the lowest, I mean. Then we have 1. So no matter what you want to do, you just calm down and understand this thing. It's your risk appetite that determines the kind of lot size you want to place. Most times it's advisable you use like 1 to 2 to 3% of your capital on any trade. You understand me? So in this sense now, I'm only using one lot. I'm not placing a standard. I'm just trying to tell you how to place a trade normally. So if you think that the market will rise in value, what do? You buy. And immediately you see that I clicked on buy. What happened? Now you believe that what is this? Now if you see a red candle here, so these are what we call candles. Let me draw a line for you so that you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't want to assume that you know it. I just, at least for anybody, so that okay. Now look at here. We have something that looks like green here, a green object, and see that at the other side we have what? That's within the two lines here. You understand? Between these two lines, this first line here and this second line here. Oh, no, sorry. Okay, you understand me? So you can see that at the midpoint between this line, where this black line cross line meets, this one called the red candle, and the red candle is otherwise called the bearish candle. You understand me? Bearish candle. When we say a candle is bearish, it means that it opens at the higher part and it closes at the lower part. That's when the candle is called bearish. And when a candle is what? Bullish. It's what? It means that it opens at a lesser part and it goes higher. So how do you identify a candle that is bearish or not bearish? It's a function of the color. Just look at the color. This is green. Abi, green, it tells you that it opens at the lower part and it closes higher. That's just it. So we call those green candles, we call them the what? The bull candles. Then the red candle, we call them the bearish candles. You understand? I'll still make some videos to let you understand it concretely. So that's the way it's been done. So if I predict that the market is going to rise in value, maybe I'm on this candle currently and I predict that the value is going to go up. If it falls, instead of going up to give me another additional green candle, if it brings me this black, it means I'm losing money. And if it keeps going down, it means I'm losing more money. That's just the big deal. So that's the way the market rolls. So there's no special hyping about, there's no special thing about this market. That's just the way it is. You understand me? So that's just the market for you. Because when someone does not understand this market will cause a whole lot of problem. But once you understand it, you have lesser problem to think about. So that's just it. I will still give you books, materials you have to read that will make all these kind of things I'm trying to make easier to understand, because this video is taking too much of a time. So that's how to place your trade. You understand me? So like the trade we placed initially, you can see we have quotes, charts, trade. You see that the trade I placed, I use, you can see euro here. This place you can see we have one euro USD buy 1.00, right, where you have positions now 1.00575, and now the point in which I entered in the market is 1.00573. That's the point in which I bought from. So now I start making money when the value keep going up, because I demanded for an increase in price. So you can see that this is 573 and that this is 582. So it means it has 573 to 582 is a difference in some few pips. You understand me? So if it keep going that way, I'm making more money. If it's falling in value, I'm losing more money. You understand me? That's just the way it is. So if I'm closing this one now, let me say for example I close it, I wish to close it, then I'll come here and what? Close the trade. Once I click close, it comes here and tell me, am I sure I really want to close? Then I close. Then what happens? I've made $25 US. You understand me? It's as simple as that, but not as cheap as that. Because in this market, we analyze before taking trading decisions. We don't just take trading decisions because we think that we want to take it. There are things you must do that will make your journey easier, and there are things you will do that will make your journey longer. So that's just the way it's been done. So if I still come here now and sell, it's still the same principle. I press sell by market. What happens? There's a probability that it will fall or it will rise. You understand me? So like here, so if I want to close it, I'll come back to where the euro USD is, click on that point, and once I click on it, what happens? It brings out close position. Then what happens? I close the position. Immediately I close it, it tells him close with loss. You know, the initial one, it told me close with profit before I close, but this one is saying close with loss. Then immediately I click on it, I close with a loss. So what then do I have here? I only have $20 left. So on here I have my trades out of here, but this is just my balance left. Chart, this is the chart of the currency pair I'm trading. Then quotes here. So what is now more important is this. For example, this what's the name of this one? Okay, you can see what USD is 25. That's the first trade. The second one is what? 5 5 loss. So my profit now is what? You see that my profit now, you can see here now, they write everything out. My deposit is 10,000, my profit is $20. You understand me? So that's the way everything will be shown here. So that's the way it operates. So there's no big deal about this market. You understand me? I'll give you books you have to read that will help you to grow better. So that's just the basic way of using MetaTrader 4 to trade. You understand me? So that's just it. So thank you for. I'm Lawani Steven by name. So go through more of my videos so that you can get to understand more. You understand me? So when you subscribe, it makes your journey easier. There's no big deal about this market. This market is simple to understand. Thank you very much.